everyone, I am Rimpa and you are watching Times of Uttaranchal. So let's get started with today's top headlines. Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore returning from space on 19th of March. Mahakumbh bathing becomes unsafe for pilgrims as the fecal level rises. Confession of killing 2 tigers made by poaching gang in MP. Maharashtra CM praises Vicky Kaushal's Chhawa. Gill overthrows Babar Azam as world's #1 ODI batter. CM Dhami and cabinet get approval in the state for strengthening land laws. Delhi's new CM Rekha Gupta sworn as the 4th woman chief minister today. Now, let us take a look at news and review. NASA and Indian origin astronauts Williams and Wilmore are finally expected to return home on 19th of March after spending 8 months on the International Space Station. Although it concerns technical issues with the spacecraft, Elon Musk and US President Donald Trump think otherwise. Both are claiming that the astronauts were abandoned in space for political reasons by Joe Biden. Turning now to a different topic. Amid the ongoing Mahakumbh Mela at Prayagraj, the Central Pollution Control Board has informed the National Green Tribunal that the level of fecal coliform has increased in the river in which pilgrims take dips. The reports detected that the river is unsafe and unsuitable for bathing. It also stated that the fecal levels will only rise as more pilgrims take religious dips in the river. Moving on to the next news. The Maharashtra Forest Department arrested a poaching gang that has confessed killing 2 tigers in the Balaghat district of Madhya Pradesh. This gave rise to an investigation by the state's Special Tiger Strike Force. Authorities in Madhya Pradesh have increased their efforts to examine the matter. Talking about the next news, Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis expressed his joy at Vicky Kaushal's Chhawa, saying that the life of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj had been portrayed truly without distorting history. He heard from the public that Chhawa effectively captures the essence of the Marathas' rural legacy, and several organizations have urged him to remove tax from the film. Now our next update is from sports news. Team India's opener Shubman Gill has become the world's #1 ODI batter by overtaking Babar Azam of Pakistan. Gill achieves the title of top-ranked ODI batter in the latest rankings with 796 rating points. Indian captain Rohit Sharma is ranked 3rd, while the former Indian captain Virat Kohli is ranked 6th. Let's now focus on news from Uttarakhand. The Uttarakhand cabinet has approved a new and strong land law to protect the state's cultural identity and resources. The law imposes strict regulation on land transactions and prohibits the sale of agricultural land to non-residents, especially in the hilly regions. The law imposes penalties for unauthorized land. On the other hand, first-time MLA Rekha Gupta took oath as Delhi's 9th Chief Minister in the presence of PM Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President JP Nadda, and Deputy CMs of the National Democratic Alliance. The swearing-in ceremony took place at Ram Leela Maidan. Invitations were also sent to gig workers as well as taxi and auto rickshaw drivers. With this, we come to the end of today's news. This is Times of Uttaranchal, and we will be back tomorrow with more news, updates and stories that matter. Thank you.